Alright, so let's create the flyer. So as you see, used iPhone for sale. Now I want to change this background, so it should always be on this one. That is what we use to edit the background. So as you can see, you can change the color from here. You can change the color from here, but then I won't change the color. I want to go and bring different background, so I'll go to gallery right here. So I want to pick this very color, this part of the color, then okay. Then I'll go here and I'll go and remove the noise, because the noise was there. This is what made, so I'll have to remove it. This place. So I have this, but I want to increase the, oh no, I want to increase the size a little bit. $250, $270, $250, $270. Okay, so like that, iPhone for sale. Then I'll have to bring my iPhone to the board, import. This is the iPhone. Alright, here is a flyer creation. iPhone for sale. Then you bring your iPhone on board, import again. Then just go there. Then I'll bring this one as well. Okay. Okay, so right here, then this one center is test. So you take this one and then position it in the center. Alright, then you come to this place, test T plus, then you get a test here. Let me lock this one. As I work on this test, I have to lock this one, and lock this one, so that I can work with this one without any problem. 50% discount. 50% discount. 50% discount over here. Alright, so this, I want to change the text, the font. So here, then you can edit the font. Alright, so now what I want to do to the font is that I want to change the font from text to image, so that I can apply some properties to it. So what I have to do is that I have to go and search for shape. When I get this shape, I'll pick this one and I'll reduce the shape. I'll reduce the shape I want. You see? So this is the shape. Then I'll have to move the shape here. Here's the shape. So I'll attach it to this one. Then I'll have to match this 50% discount and then the shape. And I'll match so that I'll get one thing. Now I have it to be one. Now if I want to enlarge it, I can just hold it and enlarge it. You understand? I can just enlarge it because now it is a shape right here. So 50% discount right here. Okay, so if I want to add 3D property to this one, what I'll do is to come here. Alright, so here is the stroke. The stroke is the stroke over here. So you apply the stroke. I've already applied 3D right here. 3D property is here. Then you just adjust it to get your required shape. Then you have it. Let me check this one. Alright, this one too. You can just use this one, 3D property. Then one thing I can do is space the text out, but this time it's not text. You should remember that you change it from text to image, so I cannot space it out anymore. I should have spaced it out before merging. Alright, so I'll have to add some small property right here. Then okay, 50% discount. Okay, %50 discount over here. Okay, so I have deleted this one. Now I have 50% discount over here. Then you can put another text over here. $2,002 GHC. Alright, so add color to it. Position it well. Alright, so change the font. Then you have this. Understand? So now go here. Alright, so you can bring this one here. Okay, so this, you can use this one as a cool flyer. Then write something. buy iPhone with a cool price, buy iPhone with a cool price. Alright, so you can just redo the text over here. Alright, so you can apply your stroke. You can choose to apply stroke or not. So right here, then you can choose your font size, your font type. Right here, position it well. That's it. Get cool price iPhone. Get cool price. Alright, so core logo. So then the background, how to remove the background. Come here, erase color, click on erase color over here. You understand, the color is off. Then smoothness, use this one to smooth edges. Use this one to smooth the edges. Alright, so you mark it, then you reduce the size. You will reduce the size here. Then go back and check the smoothness as well. Again, okay. Then reduce the size. And right here, so core. All right, here. Then let me edit the text a little bit. So font size, type. Then let's move it to the angle a little bit. Okay, so right here. Alright, so this is a cool flyer that you can create. This is simple. You don't have to mess the flyer with a lot of design. You mostly do that, but you can just create this cool flyer. It's easy and simple. Alright, 50% discount. I used iPhone for sale. Get cool price iPhone. I would have write something here now here. Can you bring it here? Change the color. You have to get it now. It's very important. So font, get yours now. Alright, so that is it. After that, what you can do is that you merge everything. If you think you are done with your design, you have to merge everything. Merge it. Mostly you don't have to merge it first. You have to save it on your phone, so that you, before, after saving it, then you can save it, even save it on your Pixel Lab app. Then you click here, then you save here as project 1, project, you see 1, project 44 over here. Then you click OK. Alright, so your this thing is saved. You see it is saved here. If you go to a project, it's saved here. I have saved a lot of projects. You see I have a lot of projects right here, a lot of projects. You see I have saved a lot of projects over here, so you can save it here. Then later, if you send it to the person who asked you to design for him or her, and there's any corrections you want you to make it on it, you can easily make the corrections on it. Alright, so after saving it to your phone, then what you can do is that you just click here. Then I know you know how to merge it. Then you can merge everything like I showed you before. Merge it. So you merge everything together right here. So it's now one. Then you can now come here. Make sure it is here. Then come to color filter here. Then you can add brightness a little bit. You see, you can now add brightness a little bit, saturation a little bit, then add brightness here a little bit, contrast. You understand? So your design become nice and perfect. Then after that, what you do is to click on the box here, click here again where you click to save it to the project. Click there again, then you click on save image. This pop-up will show. Then how do you want to save it? You want to save it in PNG or JPEG, JPN. So I want to save it JPG. So then how do you want to save a dimension? Click here, the arrow here, then ultra. You can click here and choose high. Click here and choose high, then save. After saving, you go to your gallery to see that your image is safe in your gallery right here. You can see it here. Okay, that's your, this is your simple flyer you just created. Simple right there over here.